Did you know a Victorian widow could be legally pressured into wearing the same suffocating black dress for up to 4 years, or risk losing her inheritance? When a husband died in Victorian England, his widow didn't just grieve, she was dressed in grief, by law, by custom, and by the eyes of every neighbor watching. The mourning system had stages. Full mourning meant heavy black crepe, a fabric so rough it left marks on skin. No jewelry, no color. A thick veil that made it hard to see in public. This could last 2 years on its own. Then came half mourning, where muted grays and lavenders were slowly allowed back in. The whole process could stretch past 4 years, and it was expensive. A complete mourning wardrobe could cost more than a working-class family earned in months. But here's the real trap. If a widow skipped the dress codes, she risked being seen as unfaithful to her husband's memory. Families used that social pressure to control inheritance decisions. The clothing wasn't just fabric, it was a leash.